Leave all overcoats, canes, and top hats. With the doorman from that moment, you'll be out of place and under duress.
Hi, I'm Hermione. I'm Ron Weasley. Hey, Ron, get that dirt off your nose. There's dirt on your nose. Get it off. That spell's not going to turn your rat yellow. It's not a real spell. You can't just make up spells. It may work on TV, but it don't work here. Hermione, she's a snob. I don't like snobs. Hermione's a snob. You didn't know it, but I heard that, and that hurt my feelings. Oh, sob. Sob. I'm in the bathroom and I'm crying. Sob. Sob, Ron hurt my feelings. He thinks I'm a snob. Sob. Sob, snob. Sob. I don't like Ron. He hurt my feelings. There's a troll. There's a troll. Somebody help. Oh no. Oh no. Hermione doesn't know about the troll. The troll's on the loose and Hermione doesn't know. I have to go save Hermione. Ron, what are you doing here? Save me, Ron. Save me. I'll save you, Hermione. What's that spell again? Oh, it poked my eye. Oh. Okay, what's the spell? Wingardium Leviosa. Yay, I saved you, Hermione. I'm Harry Potter, I'm trying out for the Quidditch team. Catch it, Potter. Yay, I'm on the Quidditch team. I'm on the Quidditch team. I can't see anything with these goggles. I ran into a wall. Is that Hermione? Hermione, I've got these things. They're for protection. I can run into things because these goggles, I can't see anything. Ow, see, that didn't even hurt. Thank you. Oh no, something suspicious is going on. I can feel it. I can feel it. Something suspicious is happening. Ew, that guy has two faces. Gross. I have the stone in my pocket. I'm supposed to keep it safe. Ow. My back, it really hurts. Ow. Ooh, what's this? Jelly beans? Jelly beans. Ew, earwax. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of our videos. Yeah, thanks.